Alright, so I have this mocked up on my bench here. Battery, speed controller, receiver, servo tuner. Pulled the head off to put this stuff on. Bolts on, super easy. No drilling holes or anything in the bracket. And we got our remote. Now the next part of my project is to get the electronics put in the head. Do some rewire here. There's a couple of them wires that don't get used. You'll use the main black and red for the motor. And yeah, we'll get back into this and see what happens. Alright guys, back with you here. So, now that I know that the steering works the way it's supposed to, all that fun stuff, I have now hooked my stuff back up. I'm giving power from my 100 amp hour lithium battery into my Hobbywing 880 using both negative and positive leads for the motor coming out of the ESC to a Anderson plug, or not Anderson, it's an XT90 plug rated for 90 amps continuous. And you will use just the black and red motor wire on your Minn Kota trolling motor. What I'm going to do is, when this is all buttoned up, your white and yellow, I will cap those off so they ain't going to touch. And I'm going to stick them back down in the motor shaft. So then you don't have those extra wires up in the trolling motor head, which will leave you room for your ESC, your receiver, and in my case, I have opted for a servo tuner. So then I can get a little more angle out of my 1/5 scale steering servo. So, here is your hot RC remote. You push forward and you have variable speed. Go in reverse, you'll have reverse as well. Nice thing with this radio is you have cruise control. So with this, you can either push the button here to set it at 0, and you can bump your speed up like that. Or back down to slow down. See, we can go to like a crawl. Or if you're moving along and you just want to stop, you can push your cruise control button, shuts it back off. Or say that you're moving already at a speed and you want to set cruise control, you hold it, hit your cruise control button, and it's set. Hands free. You can set your speed, have this guy on a lanyard around your neck, and while you're moving, if you got jigs to get ready on a fishing pole, say that you got this wide open and you're going a distance to where you want to start fishing, You could eat your snacks, get your poles ready, whatever you want to do. So, for the people that don't want to run cables for steering and all that other stuff, I highly recommend this setup. This Hobby Wing quick run 880 brushed motor will do, if I remember correct, a continuous 80 or 90 amps of current, which on a 30-pound thrust Minn Kota trolling motor is more than enough than what you're going to need. You could probably stick this setup on a 50 or 55 pound thrust Minn Kota and do just fine. Yeah, so I'm going to do what I can to, retain the stock head. I'm going to use the cables that they sent me, and I'm going to take and put my Hobby Wing, my receiver, and my servo tuner up in this head, and then the front hole where your handle would be, for now, I'm going to just leave it open. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I figured that out. Alright guys, so I was able to get everything under the factory cover. In this case, I'm going to leave the handle off of this unit. Gives me a nice spot for on-off switch to just kind of hang out for now. I found that the Hobby Wing 880 ESC fits super nice up here. I used some 3M double-sided tape, 2 layers thick on that, due to a little hump in the case in the bottom. I got my receiver for my controller back here. I routed the antenna wire out of the receiver, so then the antenna wire sticks out the bottom right here. No biggie. When I wired this system up and I put my XT90s on my speed control, I took the battery telemetry that comes with this receiver. I attached it to the inlet power side of the ESC. That way I can see battery voltage on my remote. Fair warning, lithium batteries. The way to tell state of charge is not by voltage. The voltage will not drop till you have used a lot of the state of charge out of the battery. So, in my case, I did it this way because the battery I picked up about 2 years ago, which is a 12 volt 100 amp hour watt cycle battery, I had bought the one that does not have Bluetooth capability for the BMS. So I will have to find a different solution for measuring the state of charge in my battery. But being able to see voltage will give me kind of an indication of where I'm at. So if you are looking at doing this build and you have not bought a battery yet, buy one that has Bluetooth capability so you can monitor it on your cell phone or a tablet or whatever you take with you. So in this case, what I have done, I got all that stuff 3M taped in there. For now, my servo tuner is just kind of laying down in here. I have already preset my range of travel, all that stuff. I did use a servo extension wire, and I came out the bottom right next to my power wires that come factory with this Minn Kota trolling motor. My setup, I am going to use Anderson 50 amp plugs. So I will be cutting these terminals off and putting an Anderson plug on. It'll make it easier when you need to take this off your boat, put it on. You don't have to carry a bunch of tools with you. So, just to get a look at this here, we'll put the cover on, and I will tuck everything in here, kind of where it's supposed to go. And yeah, it'll look just like a standard trolling motor. The only difference is you won't have the handle sticking out the front. I did not wire this to use the battery test feature on the top, as I have telemetry on my remote. So yeah, guys, next thing will be getting this put on a Pelican Catch Mode 110 and getting my battery put on there. And I got a local spot that I can take this out, test it. If I gotta move my battery around for weight distribution, stuff like that, I still have time. So yeah, I will get back with you guys when we get this out to do a little testing. Alright, here it is, all put together. I got my servo wire coming out the bottom, factory cord. I just have it temporarily hooked up to my battery. Steering. We have forward. We have reverse. And we have steering. I love it.